Hello, what is up everyone? RF of Discern here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and today we have the 1987 Fordsierracosworth number 1 out of 10 from Hot Wheels, the 80s. So this is more of like a new theme, I guess, the 80s. I'm hoping to see some interesting looking 1980 cars, hopefully. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So we've seen this car released previously. First color was in a dark blue, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on. I'm checking it whether it's a dark blue or not. Yeah. No, sorry. It's actually black. The first color was in black, the one with the Mattel logo on the hood. Yeah, that was the first time it released. Then the second time was in dark blue, or should I say midnight blue? Midnight blue with the red base that time, also in the Mattel livery. Now we have it in this nice looking red. So yeah, here we have the Fordsierracosworth in this awesome looking red here. I like the color, looks pretty good. And I like the overall livery and the overall like design of it. It looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the car itself. I mean, like, it has a lot of stripes to it, and it kinda attracts my attention with the car actually. So here we have the Fordsierracosworth in this bright red. As you can see on the side, you have some stripes here from going in order from the thick to the thin, and as you can see, we have the same size wheels, and you have chrome gold rims. Interesting. I like the rims that they use. I don't remember what's it called, but then it looks pretty great on the car. Then it has the Hot Wheels logo in black right there. HW graphics on the door. Philstein, and what's that other clone? I think, yeah, that's the sponsor. Then you have the racing number 87 with Castrol. Looks pretty good. The roof, you have like an arrow pointing to the back. That's the design in white. Looks pretty good. Front, you have the headlights, which are connected to the windshield, but then of course they're not colored, but still nice to see the headlights there still. Grill is not really colored, but I'm fine with it as long as it kind of looks like a Cosworth from the front. It's fine. Hot Wheels graphics, Castrol number 87, nice on the hood. Moving on to the back. Is this even a back if you cannot even know where all of the rear lights, the license plate, or even the logo? You don't even know whether is it the back or front. I mean, like, it's obvious that it's a back, but still, I'm just joking with you. Of course it's the back. Of course, this is the rear of the car, basically empty. And you know me, when it comes to empty, I don't really like it, because I know Mattel's trying to save money instead of spending hundreds of dollars just on castings just to color them and selling them for like $1 each. I understand that they're doing that, but still, it just looks so funny without the rear lights. I'm not sure whether the blue and the black one has rear lights or not. Maybe I've said the same thing in my previous reviews. I'm not entirely sure. I don't really remember. But yeah, empty back. You already know it. Oh yeah, and it has this interesting looking rear spoiler here with the one extra on the bottom there. Nice. 1987 Fordsierracosworth. Let's see, 2021 Mattel. Overall, nice looking car. Surprised that it released in the A case 2023. I did not expect this car to come out in this case, but then It looks pretty good. As long as it doesn't roll away from my table. But the overall interesting looking casting, just that it doesn't have the rear lights. As usual, cars without rear lights are just common in Hot Wheels history, so you cannot say anything about that. And well, overall the casting is looking very nice. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.